Graders, we are working on PRP, Proportional Relationships and Percentages, Objective 1, and looking at some practice here. So for this one, we need to set up a proportion. It says Brenda can deliver 644 newspapers in 7 hours. Those labels are really important. How many newspapers can Brenda deliver in 9 hours? All right, I'm gonna set up a proportion with labels. We have newspapers and we have hours. Remember, if the numbers are in the same sentence, they're gonna go in the same ratio together. So we have 644 newspapers. That goes with N where the newspapers are. 7 hours goes with H where the hours are. They're in the same sentence, so they're in the same ratio together. Then how many can she deliver in 9 hours? How many newspapers in 9 hours? Then we just cross multiply and divide. So we'll do 644 times 9 and then divide by 7. We get 828. So that means she can do 828 newspapers in 9 hours. Let's try another one of those. Let's see, Amanda can jog 18 miles in 5 hours. How many miles can she jog in 4 hours? Again, set up a proportion. Our labels are miles and hours. 18 miles in 5 hours. Same sentence, same ratio. Miles goes on top, hours on the bottom. How many miles in 4 hours? Again, we will cross multiply, divide. So we do 18 times 4 divided by 5. Turns out to be 14.4. So she can go 14.4 miles. All right, good. Next link we have is iExcel. Okay, they are asking us to find the unit rate or the constant of proportionality. Remember, those are the same things, the unit rate or the constant of proportionality. So we're trying to figure out how many children per counselor. Okay, so you can see we have counselors on the bottom, we have children on the side, and I think this is a summer camp. It says Becky is starting a summer camp for children with hearing impairments. She needs to hire enough counselors to chaperone the children. Okay, so how many children per counselor? So we want to find, we start at 1, because the unit rate always compares to 1. So we start at 1 chaperone, we go up until we hit the line. And we can see that hits the line, we go over, and we can see that's right at 3 children. So what that means is that there's 3 children for every 1 counselor. So how many children per counselor? Would just be 3. All right, let's try another one of those. Chalk Arcade has Brennan's 2 favorite things, a chocolate shop and an arcade. Not only that, but Chalk Arcade's loyalty program rewards Brendan with free game tokens every time he buys chocolate. Okay, we're trying to figure out what is the constant of proportionality, how many tokens per chocolate. Okay, so that's per chocolate, that means for 1 chocolate. So we start at 1, go up until we hit the line, go over, and we get to 4. So that means 4 tokens per chocolate. All right. That's all we have for Objective 1. Good luck on your practice.